For now guys, we are do lantern this D1 at Bantayan Island here in Santa Fe.
Actually, guys, we're looking for Panisal at Panisal, yeah.
Okay sir, by the way sir, for today we do a lantern, 5 places to visit. First, Mangrove Garden, Camp Sawi, Camp Pugi. The second spot is Sandira Beach.
Sandira Beach.
The third
That's
spot is the ruins, limestone, abandoned habitat. We can do cliff jumping there. And second for the last guys is Ogtong Cave. And the last one is Buta Beach.
Okay. Then actually we're heading to our first area is Palitan Pandisal.
Parisal may hari na. May hari na. Parisal hari na.
Yeah. That's what
I guess
we're
from
looking
Korea.
for. Oh, let's go. We better go now, guys.
Let's go.
See you next year. See you next year.